This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the battery has enough charge. Plug in the original lightning cable for at least 30-60 minutes. Next, power cycle the headset. Hold the power button for about 10 seconds until the LED blinks. This forces a hardware reset and clears transient faults. While charging, inspect the charging port and cable for lint or damage because poor contact causes odd behavior. Make sure the cable seats firmly, and use a known good USB power source to rule out weak chargers. Once charged, you tackle software. On your phone, forget the beats from Bluetooth settings to remove corrupted pair data. Then perform a reset on the headphones by holding power and volume down together for about 10 seconds until the LED flashes. This clears internal pairing memory and software glitches. After the reset, restart your phone or source device, enable Bluetooth, and repair the beats. This fresh handshake often restores stable audio and resolves intermittent dropouts by rebuilding a clean connection. You finish by verifying audio. Play multiple tracks and check left-right balance, volume response, and microphone function. This confirms whether issues persist. If problems remain, check for firmware updates via the Beats app or your device. Updates fix known bugs. If updates and reset fail, consider hardware fixes. Replace the battery or seek service. As a troubleshooting tip, if one side is dead, wiggle the hinge gently while playing. Intermittent connection, there indicates a worn internal cable that needs professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.